How to hide your live location from friends across different apps. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can hide your live location from your friends or anyone across different apps. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up settings menu. And from your settings, you need to find the option for permissions. So you can find that on security and privacy. Then right here, you have permission uses. So go ahead and tap on permissions used in the last 24 hours or something similar to that. And then you can find all of your permission uses over here. Then tap on location and it will show you your location history. So when you used your location last, now you can easily manage apps with this permission. Tap on the three dots at the top right and then tap on this. Once you have done that, you'll get over to the location permission. And as you can see here, all of these apps are allowed all the time, and these other apps are allowed while using the app. So what I'm going to do is simply go ahead and select one of the apps. So let's say Snapchat has this live location feature. So I'm going to tap on Snapchat, and then I'm going to turn off the location option. Doing this will completely uh, block your location, live location from this app. So you can do this on any other app as well. Instagram has recently launched its feature where you are able to use and see live location of your friends, which is similar to Snapchat. So I'll just turn off the location here as well, and you'll be good to go. You can do this for as many apps as you want, and your location services will now be hidden. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.